Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata. If you guys have a Hyundai Sonata and you need to guys remove or replace windshield washer reservoir, also known as windshield washer tank, stay with us and we'll cover everything from start to finish. We'll show you how we can easily do that. You practically don't need to remove the bumper. You can see the bumper removed, but it makes your life easier. Again, you don't have to do it. We did it because we need to get more room so we can get the camera and show you where all the bolts, connections and everything is, so you can get the idea how it attaches to the vehicle and how you can safely remove and replace it. So let's start on it now. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for your Hyundai guys, okay, we're going to share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can save you even more money and provide even more videos. Now, if you have a Hyundai, you want to check guys our second channel, it's called Electrical Car Repair Live. We're going to share so much helpful information about diagnostics, engine codes and things like that there as well, so definitely check it out. So let us show you guys. Now practically you don't need to remove the windshield washer reservoir. Okay, the only thing that you may need to remove, okay, is the fender liner. Jack the vehicle up, you need to remove the wheel, remove the fender liner, and you can access everything from here, which will make it really convenient. The fender liner, it's not too complicated. You have one clip there, it attaches with 2-3 clips on the bottoms, okay, and you can remove it. Or you can just remove, there is one bolt here for the bumper, pull it a little bit to the side and you can release it from the front and come out as well. If you want to see how to remove the bumper, we have a special video that explains how to remove bumper on Hyundai Sonata, so check it out. Now that's the tank guys, that's a windshield washer reservoir tank. Now let's explain how we're going to remove it. We need to first remove the hose for the overflow bottle right here, so you can see that's where it attaches, it's loose. What else we need to do? Here, pretty simple guys. We need to, let's go ahead and disconnect the cables. You have one here, okay, this one first, let's do this one quick. Okay, let's pull it out. Okay, this is for the pump, this is for the level sensor, okay, right here. Great. Now, we need to disconnect the hose as well. This hose, guys, is the one that goes to the windshield. Okay, perfect. You may leak some fluid out, so be prepared. Great. Next, what else we have here? Okay, pretty simple. We have one bolt, okay, towards the front that is going to come out. Alright, and then we have a second bolt that's right here on the back side. 2 bolts. Now everything is loose, but it's still not coming out, and you wonder why. Because there is one guide right here that it goes to, so we need to grab and slide it to the front. Okay, you can see that's the guide right here, and you can grab that windshield washer tank and pull it out. Let me show you again where that guide is. Okay, right there. And that guide, okay, that thing goes right here, and the windshield washer tank comes out of there. Okay, that's the whole assembly. The pump, super easy to replace if you need to. If it's cracked, yours is broken, we have a special video that explains how to fix cracked windshield washer tank. It's on our channel. I'll try to put the link guys, it's amazing, and it still holds pretty good. We fixed it on a Mercedes 4 years ago, still working good. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.